you. All right, I'm going to start letting them in. Good morning. The Honorable Judge Sean B. is presiding. While Zoom is in session, there will be no driving, no inappropriate appearance of any kind, no head coverings unless they represent religious purpose. If you have a head covering on now and it does not represent religious purpose, please remove it. No eating, drinking, sleeping, smoking, white t-shirts, or hoodies. Please take heed to the instructions and please mute your devices while in session. Court is in session. Good morning, Judge. Thank you. All right, good morning, everyone. What I'm going to try to do is the best I can to get you out as fast and efficiently as possible. And I'm going to try to get you out in the order that you came in. Everybody is checked in. Are we ready, Ms. Williams-Law?
Yes, Your Honor.
This is the City of Detroit versus Delano Leggett. Case number SP 1230035, counts 1, 2, and 3. Case number SP 123004111, SP 128692221. Appearance for the record, please. Can you run the license, please?
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning to the staff. May it please this honorable court, Sherika Harris, P72832, on behalf of Mr. Leggett. Please state your name.
Delano Leggett.
Good morning to you, Mr. Leggett. Today is the date and time set for arraignment on the warrant. Go ahead, Ms. Harris.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute. Respectfully request that the warrant be recalled.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Leggett, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay, sir.
He's in the room, Ms. Harris, will pass the matter. City of Detroit versus Relisha Green, case number SP 1687594, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please. Can you run the license, please?
For the restraint.
Yes. Very.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Green.
Relisha Green.
Relisha, I'm sorry, Ms. Green. Good morning to you. Day is date and time set for a pretrial, Ms. Green. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
When you see the prompt, is it valid? License is valid, Mr. Berry. When you see the prompt, join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Your Honor, where does Ms. Green appear on the docket?
Pre-trials, third page, toward the bottom quarter, bottom third, or bottom third. I mean, bottom of the top of the third, if that makes any sense.
I've got it. Thank you, Your Honor.
It's past the matter.
Attorney Waskey, good morning to you.
Good morning, Judge. How are you this morning?
Very well. Who's your client?
I have two. They're both set for 9 o'clock trials, Judge. The first is an Earl Lewis.
Lewis?
Yes.
Give me 1 second. Lewis? No, trial, so that would be Earl Lewis.
Correct.
It's a long one. I haven't seen Mr. Lewis yet.
I haven't either, but I do see that Sergeant Lord is on Zoom. So he's
The other one?
And the other one, the last name, it's a hyphenated name, Graylaw, Gray hyphen Lay. First name Sharina.
I haven't seen them. They're not set till 9 o'clock anyway, so
That's
we'll give them,
correct.
we'll give them about an hour grace period.
That's fine. Can you give me some co-hosts, Judge, so I can bounce over and talk to your city attorney?
Mr. Ragnar, are you ready?
Ready to talk to the city attorney, Your Honor, at their
You have to
convenience.
wait on the city attorney in 4, please.
All right, thank you very much. If you'll send me there, I guess.
You can go there.
Okay.
I'll put. Mr. Johnson, are you ready?
Yes, Your Honor.
City of Detroit versus Shane Zachary Gibson, case numbers SP 1827896, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1827951, SP 1844966, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
May it please the Court, Vasquez Johnson II, 72130 on behalf of Mr. Gibson. He should be on Zoom.
Mr. Gibson, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please. He's in the, let's see if we can pull him out. Good morning, Corporal Wright. You have to go back in there and see if you can pull him out.
Sorry.
Just pass it momentarily. On the iPhone, good morning to you. You have to unmute yourself, start your camera and state your name, please.
Officer Martinez, badge 788.
Officer Martinez.
Yes, sir.
And good morning to you.
Good morning, sir.
Right is here. Burks is here. Lord is here. I think Goodman is here.
It does that? Okay. Oh, here we go. Thank you.
Martinez is here for Gray Law.
Good morning, Judge Perkins.
Good morning.
This is Corporal Rice. Sorry, I clicked the join room before I could say good morning. But also, I have 9:30 with Ramsey as well, so I'll probably slide back in at 9:30 with you.
Yeah, of course. I'm just going to sit in the corner.
I'll have you checked in.
No.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Gibson. Mr. Gibson, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Continue not guilty plea had a matter set for trial, bench trial.
All right. Trial date is going to be April 17th, 2026 at 9 a.m. All right.
Thank you.
There's nothing further. I wish you best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day. Will that do it for you, Attorney Johnson?
No, Your Honor, I'm looking at what Ms. Carter sent me. Looks like Gary Gale, Aaron Grable, and Cornell Grimes.
And Gary Gale.
Gayle.
All right, do you see, if you see any of those individuals, you can pull them in the breakout room.
Okay. Thank you.
On the telephone at 810-291-6790. Good morning to you. What is your name, please?
Good morning. My name is Sharina Gridlaw.
Ms. Graylaw, good morning to you.
Good morning.
Your attorney is here. They're set for trial. Sit tight. We'll get you out of here as soon as we can. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Green. Ms. Green, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client has shown valid insurance. The court has confirmed she has a valid license. We seek dismissal.
Ms. Green, I'm going to dismiss the case for providing valid documentation. If there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day. And
You
best
too.
of luck to you.
You too. Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. All right, no file for DeMarco Lewis. City of Detroit versus DeMarco Lewis, case number 17-389-0071, SP 106-9151, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 107-61231, SP 107-61233, counts 2 and counts 3. SP 129-42741, SP 147-09321, SP 159-76891, SP 159-76892, SP 1866868, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1877828, SP 1877840, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Lewis.
DeMarco Lewis.
Good morning to you, sir. Today's date and time set for arraignment on the bench warrant. Go ahead, counsel.
Yes, Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Will enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. I counted 1, 2, 3, 4. I counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 cases into the record. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 on the docket. Mr. Berry, no ops.
Judge, here is a file for DeMarco Lewis. I'm gonna call for the rest of the tickets.
Thank you. In no insurance misdemeanor. Driver's license never acquired. Improper equipment. Driver license suspended, repeat offender. Defective brake lights. Defective equipment. An improper display of plate. Mr. Goodman, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay? Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. Ms. Villarreal, we sent Jose Diaz to 3-3. Where did Jose Diaz go? Jose Diaz went to 334. Judge Herman Griffin, if that's the one you're in for.
No, sir. I've been assigned to Guillermo Lopez Jr.
Very well. Very well. He's here. Thank you.
Okay.
Good morning.
You're very welcome.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Berry. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Leggett. Mr. Leggett, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
And he should be back in the courtroom. Is my understanding he wants to enter a plea. It would be 3 counts of improper plate. I believe these cases may be old, but he does want to resolve them today.
3 counts of improper plate. It's just insane. You want to take the deal, sir?
Yeah.
Do you? Speak up.
Yes.
You have some money today?
Yes. Yes.
Raise your right hand.
I do.
Swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth.
I do.
Or you can put your hand down. Go ahead, Ms. Harris.
He did just pay, I believe, almost $660 some odd dollars to the court. And I think that was to help him resolve outstanding matters.
All right. You got an advice of rights form, did you not? Yeah, did you read that form? No, you just signed it, didn't you?
I read some of it.
You understand it?
Yeah, I understand it.
Do you have any questions about it?
No, not actually, no.
All right, do you know that by taking this deal, you're gonna give up those rights that are on that form?
Yes, I know.
And has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
All right. Let me draw your attention way back to July 24th, 2021 at around 4:06 p.m., City of Detroit, area of Lafayette and Mount Elliott. You have an occasion on that day to come in encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, sir.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes, sir.
Was that your 2003 Buick?
Yes.
And was something wrong with the plates on that vehicle? How?
I didn't have no insurance.
Well, how were the plates improper though?
I'm sure.
How are you not sure?
I'm not sure.
Improper plate of EGA 9440. That was your car, wasn't it?
Yes, it was.
So was it the right plate for the vehicle?
Should have been. It should have been the right place.
Was it registered?
That's, should have been all that.
Oh, my goodness.
I'll go to LA Insurance and get insurance. Secretary of State and get my place.
So why are you taking this deal?
I don't really know nothing else to basically do.
Didn't you have a counsel to talk to you?
She was talking. I really just wanted to try to get it over with, right?
That's why you're taking the deal, just to get it over with.
I need to get it over.
It's not about, it's gonna get over with, but if you say you had, the plates were right, you say the registration was right, you say you had LA insurance, this is all what they say you didn't have. So you're gonna admit to something you didn't do?
Well, I'm saying, I ain't got them if they expired, right?
Didn't I just ask you that question, sir? You're 70 years old.
Yeah.
And am I confusing you in any way? What was wrong with the plate on the vehicle? And how were they wrong?
Judge, can he speak up? Because I'm not hearing his answers.
Speak up, sir.
Because they was expired.
So you're saying two different things. Now, I believe that he put the wrong plate on the vehicle. That's what I believe.
I never did that.
So never did that. So you're saying the plates were expired?
Yes.
What about the insurance?
Sir, stop your phone.
It should have been expired too.
You can hang it up. The plates were expired, is what the registration was expired?
Yes.
And then the insurance, did you have insurance that day?
I had, well, they probably was expired that day too. But I was just buying insurance to get a tag and to drive a car.
Ms. Harris, are you satisfied?
If the court is satisfied, I'm satisfied, Johnny.
I'll find them guilty as charged to the improper plate, meaning they in this case he admits them being expired. I'll find them guilty as amended count of improper plate for the no insurance, no registration. And I'll find them guilty of the amended count of improper plate for the no insurance. Stipulate the probable cause will dismiss the other two matters.
No stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, I'll only fine you $240 for one of these matters. You have $240 today?
Yes, sir.
You want to go down there and pay it today and we can close all this stuff out?
Yes, sir.
All right. All right, $240, I'll dismiss it upon payment. Ms. Mathis, can you get that and give Mr. Leggett some paperwork? There's nothing further, Mr. Leggett. Have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you.
Yeah, thank you.
You're welcome. All right, Jasmine Gibbs.
Yes.
All right, let's call the City of Detroit versus Jasmine Gibbs, case number SP 1395165, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1866669, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Sheriff Harris, on behalf of Ms. Gibbs, please state your name.
My name is Jasmine Gibbs.
Good morning to you, Ms. Gibbs. Date and time set for a pretrial. Ms. Gibbs, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. Excuse me, she's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. Pass the matter. Anyone ready? Any of the attorneys are ready?
Good morning, Your Honor. Attorney Till from Street Outreach Court, Detroit.
Yeah, good morning to you. Who's your client?
I'm here with Mr. Lante Lamb.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning to you.
Sorry, I tried adding detective in front of my name, but it didn't let me add it in time.
Okay, good. Good morning, all right, detective. I'll do that.
Thank you.
Let's call the city of Detroit versus Alante Lamb. Case number is SP 135-18512, SP 1427021, SP 142878771. State of Michigan versus Alante Lamb. Case number SX 345-12401, SX 346-12842. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Felicity Till, P83961 of Street Democracy, appearing on behalf of defendant Alante Lamb, who is with me via Zoom.
Mr. Lamb, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pretrial. How are things going, Mr. Lamb?
They're going pretty good. I did go down to the Secretary of State like you told me to. The thing is, I have a ticket in 19th District Court that I'm still dealing with, and pretty much I'm just waiting on that court date with them, and then that would be out the way. I'm also dealing with Street Democracy also, and they're helping me get my stuff together.
Very good. That sounds like you're on your way to getting things working on it. You know what you need to do. That's the most important thing. What are we gonna do, Ms. Till?
Mr. Lamb is a new participant in our Street Outreach Court Detroit program. I was going to ask for a 60-day adjournment, if possible, to May 26th.
May 26, 2026 at 8:30. Mr. Lamb, I'm glad to hear better news and that you're getting on track, and I hope to hear some more better news. When you come back, you know what I said earlier to you too. Let's be prepared. That's part of everything in life is preparation. So before you sign on, make sure you're prepared, sir.
I definitely will, Your Honor. Thanks.
But continue, good luck, and have a very good rest of your day.
You too. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Anyone else, Ms. Till? All right, if there's nothing further, Ms. Till, you have a very good rest of your day as well. Best of luck to you both.
Thank you, you too, Your Honor.
Any of the, let's go back on the record with Ms. Gibbs. Ms. Gibbs, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, we are respectfully requesting a pretrial date, and we're requesting permission to pay any reinstatement fees up front.
Well, why don't we just set a trial date?
Your Honor, sometimes I would say a pretrial is best in case a person runs into an issue at the Secretary of State and needs a little bit more time, then they can ask for a trial date. But a trial date of the court thinks that that's best.
Ms. Gibbs, have you been in here before on the about giving you a pretrial date before?
No.
Pre-trial, April 16th, 2026 at 8:30. I hope you can get that together. I will allow you to pay with the understanding, pay that $45 reinstatement fee up front with the understanding that you're gonna have to pay that whole ticket off. If you don't get a license, then you need to ask them for a printout, and they should give you a printout of everything that's affecting your license, okay?
Okay.
But you need $45, and you need to come down to the courthouse. There's no better way that I can allow you to do that except to come down to the courthouse and pay it in person, okay?
Okay.
All right, best of luck to you, ma'am. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you.
You're welcome. This is the City of Detroit versus Tracy Michelle Lightfoot. Case number SP 185-2850, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 185-51992, SP 185-52131. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
Ms. Lightfoot, can you state your name for the record, please?
Lightfoot.
All right, there's date and time. Good morning to you. There's the date and time set for a pretrial. Ms. Lightfoot, Ms. Harris is going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Fine, if you don't like the offer, is it valid? You have an absolute right to a trial. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with her. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. That's, you have some noise in the background, a television going or something, Ms. Lightfoot?
Sir, I believe it's the family that's having a background of noise because I'm in my front room.
I couldn't really understand. Join the breakout room, speak with Ms. Harris. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Let's pass that matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. DeMarco Lewis. Mr. Lewis, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client requires a trial and the appointment of counsel. His number is in the chat.
Is what you want to do, Mr. Lewis?
Yes.
All right, I'm going to set a pretrial. That pretrial is set so we can get that appointed attorney has an opportunity to contact you. Your next date is going to be April the 16th, 2026. Answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney from your next court date, then we'll get one appointed to you on the spot, okay?
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, sir, I do wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day. All right, Corey Goulman. This is City of Detroit versus Corey Lamont Goulman, case number SP 186-88661. Appearance for, and count 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Goldman.
Is Corey Goulman there? Unmute yourself, sir. Good morning to you.
Hello, Corey Goldman.
Goldman. All right, good morning to you. Today is the date set for a show cause. I don't know why it's set for a show cause. This must have been inadvertently missed. All the other cases are set for trial on March the 30th. Officer Bush, good morning to you. I just wanted to, I brought you in. Corey Goulman is here and his matters are set for trial on Monday. So we need you back here on Monday for Corey Goulman, okay?
Okay.
Can you make note of that, please?
Yes, sir.
All right, I'm going to enter a not guilty plea on his behalf on this. and give you a $0 bond, Mr. Goulman. And those matters will be trial on 3/30/2026 at 9 a.m. All right.
Excuse me, is it possible to get that ticket number so I can look it up?
SP 186-8866, counts 1 and counts 2.
Thank you.
All right, Mr. Goulman, that'll do it for today. I don't know how that was supposed to have been set the last time, but sometimes things get a little missed. We apologize for the mix up there. All right, sir.
Right, that's quite okay. Okay.
All right, best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
I see you Friday, Judge. You say
Very-
30th?
Oh, you'll see me Monday.
Monday. Okay. All right.
All right, Monday. Best of luck to you, God willing.
Okay, thank you.
Yep. All right. Let's call the city of Detroit versus Janethia Janelle Greer, case number SP 1505376, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1691261. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Greer.
Can you run our license?
Unmute your device, ma'am.
Yep, unmute yourself, please.
Okay, my Janetha Janelle Greer.
Good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time set for a Raymond on the bench warrant. Go ahead, counselor.
Your Honor, we would, my client would stand mute.
Will enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. All right, Ms. Grill will put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. When you see the prompt, join the room. You let what you want to do when you come out, please. All right, any other retained counsels ready? Ms. Greer's license is valid, Mr. Berry.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Thank you. Can you run hers, please? Officer Al Murray called you sick. I told her I'm not sure if this is where you call me sick. I have my sick list yet, so I just check the phone and let her know. Guillermo Lopez, who is his attorney?
Hello.
Hello?
Buenos dias.
Good morning.
Guillermo Lopez is coming out this morning. Who is? Okay, very well. It's Guillermo Lopez's attorney. I printed this thing out.
It's Taylor. It's for trial.
Yes.
He just came in.
He's gonna come in and say, well.
Say one time.
No escucho.
I can't hear you.
I mean,
All right, give me a minute, sir. Please, good
Permítame un
morning to you.
momento, por favor, señor. Y buenos días a
Okay.
usted.
you know
Okay.
what I'm saying?
I'm about to mute.
Because people just wait, period.
Faust, good morning to you.
But I normally just put, well, it doesn't matter if you get them all.
Good morning.
How can I help? You need to start your video, please.
Yes, I am here pertaining to the case Lopez.
Okay, very good.
Oh, here she is. Oh, she's still at the trial day too.
She is. I had made an adjustment, I had made a adjustment that they changed the docket where the belong.
Whoever this is, this,
column for the attorney.
this Michael Green, he got like 30 tickets, so her two little tickets that.
Good morning, Ms. Horn.
Good morning, Your Honor.
We have a witness here, Ms. Faust. I can
Yes.
assign her to breakout room 7 if you.
If you wouldn't mind, Your Honor, yes, and I spoke with Mr. Taylor about this. We may have some issues here, but thank you, Ms. Foss, for appearing.
Ms. Faust,
Thank
well, you can put her in any breakout room 4 or 7 or whatever one you want, Ms. Faust, if necessary.
Okay, thank you.
All right, and you have attorneys waiting on you in 4. All right, we're just waiting on an attorney. Ms. Villarreal, you want to state your name for the record, please?
Yes, Your Honor. Evelyn Villarreal, Certified Court Interpreter C3822. Good morning, sir.
Morning to you. Can you raise your right hand, please?
Yes.
Do you solemnly swear or affirm that you'll truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in the matter now before the court, not divulge confidential communications Excuse me, so help you God?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
And do you swear or affirm that to the best of your ability, you'll interpret from English to Spanish and Spanish to English?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
Very well. We'll wait on the I think we're waiting on Mr. Taylor.
Let me send a text.
All right, that's cut off for officers. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Greer. Ms. Greer, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, per the prosecutor, the no insurance matters to be dismissed. The court has confirmed she has a valid license.
All right, Ms. Greer, I'm going to dismiss the cases for providing valid documentation. And that just goes for everybody as in an amnesty program. You still owe, I'll waive the warrant fees as well. You still owe $90 and $120 for some old civil infractions that you got. Probably when you got the driver's license never acquired or no insurance tickets. Those are covered under the amnesty program. The amnesty program covers late fees and warrant fees. It does not cover reinstatement fees. So that $45 reinstatement fee won't be waived. I don't see that you have that, Ms. Greer, but $90, $120, that amnesty program ends April the 2nd. I did see on social media that the individual said they're just trying to drag you into court to get you and put you in jail. And that's just not the case. They're trying to get money, get you an opportunity to get a license or take care of your stuff. So just to let you know, if you're gonna take care of that, ma'am, I would do that on or before April the 2nd, all right?
Okay, Your Honor, thank you.
If there's no further questions, I wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you so much, Your Honor. You as well, thank you.
Welcome. City of Detroit, Mr. Berry versus Sereno Yvonne Little. Case number U45645618, SP 1244483, counts 2 and counts 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr., on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Little.
Scenario Yvonne Little.
I'm sorry, Ms. Little. Scenario Yvonne Little. Day is date and time set for, and good morning to you, set for an arraignment on the bench warrant. Go ahead, Counselor.
Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
And I'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. She has a valid driver's license. The other ticket parked in the grass was back in 2018. And the other matter was no insurance, 2021. Give Ms. Little an updated offer. Ms. Little, Mr. Berry's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with him. You let us know what you wanna do when you come out, okay?
Okay.
Pass the matter. All right, Mr. Waski, are you ready on anyone?
Judge, I just talked with the city attorney, and she's talking with the officer on gray law. And Mr. Lewis, Mr. Earl Lewis, I don't believe is checked in yet. And I've tried reaching him this morning, but nothing.
I have someone right here. Let's see. On the telephone at 313-979-0845. Good morning to you. What is your name, please?
It's Cornell Grimes.
Grimes. Okay, your attorney is here, Mr. Grimes.
Okay.
Give me a. All right. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
All right. So I'll give you time. You can go check in somewhere else if you want to check back in, Mr. Waski. We'll give him another 30 minutes or so.
Yeah, no, thank you, Judge. I appreciate that, but I'm waiting for your city attorney to talk to the officer. We may be able to get rid of or do something with Miss Graylaw prior to trial. So I'm going to just hang for a minute.
Very well, Mr. Ragnow.
Yes, Your Honor. Could you please put Mr. Ledbetter in a breakout room with myself so that we can discuss? Thank you.
Ledbetter, are you there? Where is Ledbetter? I think Ledbetter is already in breakout room 8. You can just join that room. You're already assigned to it.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Ms. Harris, are you ready on Lightfoot?
Can you just check the status of her license, please, Your Honor? And I need an assist with pulling her out of the breakout room.
Status of her license is canceled. Status of her license is canceled.
Okay, let me go back in the breakout room with her.
Reinstatement date is today.
She says she has a permit here.
That does not reflect that here. It says reinstatement date today. I don't know if that means she can go get a license today or she has to wait till tomorrow. I would say it means today, but. Oh, it's not this. You did it once before. That I'm gonna pull it up. If you can get him a court date, yeah, and get those warrants off of him. Please. Who is he gonna be in front of? H. Youngblood. All right. Okay. All right, we're just waiting on an attorney now, so bear with us. Mr. Thomas Lee. Good morning to you, sir. Do you have valid insurance?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
Can you show the court that now?
I don't have a photocopy, but I do have a digital copy on my phone.
You want to email it to me?
I've been trying to email you this information a couple days now.
All right. Well, you want to try again?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. I'm putting my email address in the chat.
I also have valid registration as well, and I am on a restricted license right now.
I'm not concerned about that. I'm just concerned about what the case is in front of me, no insurance. So if you can get me the insurance, we can get you out of here. What email address did you send it from?
T.BAEZ 1296 at
No, I don't have
gmail.com.
it. I don't have it. So send it to me, and we'll if it's valid, we'll get you out of here.
Okay.
Shane Gibson, you're still waiting.
Yeah, I knew. Thank you for seeing me. I knew the devs had to click something. Once he finally did, I could be seen. They said it was the host, but it was them. They finally clicked something and allowed me. So I only have till 10 o'clock, they said too. So I appreciate you accommodating me. They said they would end it no matter what at 10 o'clock.
They don't have a choice in that.
Well, they said their policy, I guess. I'm just going off what they, I'm an inmate, so I just do what I'm told.
No, I know. I'm not concerned about what they say.
Okay. But they said they'll give me till 10 o'clock and then they got to get me out of here, I guess.
Concerned about what they say. I heard that already. We'll
Okay.
try to get you.
Yes, no problem. No problem, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Attorney Ragnow.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes.
Discuss this matter with Ms. Horn, and we've reached an agreement that Mr. Ledbetter will plead guilty to 2 of the charges, and that it will be held.
All right, give me 1 second. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Shane Gibson. Mr. Gibson, your attorney already set your trial date for April 17th, 2026 at 9 a.m., okay? April 17th, 2026 at 9 a.m.
Okay, no problem, Your Honor.
Thank you. Have a good day, sir. Best of luck to you.
Thank you. Yep. Take care. Thank you.
City of Detroit versus Lamar Ledbetter, case number V13152-023, V13152-123, V13152-23, V13152-323. Appearance for the record, please.
Morning, Your Honor. Samuel A. Ragnan, P23-157, on behalf of the defendant, Lamar Ledbetter. Mr. Ledbetter, would you state your name for the record, please?
Jesse Jerome Ledbetter. Good morning to you, sir. Day, date, and time. It's set for, I believe it's set for a pretrial, Mr. Ragnow. You say you reached an agreement? You and your
Yes, Your
client?
Honor. The defendant will plead guilty to not having a dog without a leash. He also will plead guilty to the dog animal engaging in a nuisance because the dog was loose on a 3-month delay, and upon no further problems by Mr. Ledbetter, the 2 cases will then be dismissed from his record.
You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh.
Do that.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for that? This dog offenses are what, 90 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
Your counsel went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes, Your Honor.
And you understood those rights?
Yes.
Questions about those rights?
No, Your Honor.
By taking a deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes, Your Honor.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, Your Honor.
Let me draw your attention back to October 25th, 2023 at around 11:40 a.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of North Lawn, on North Lawn Street. Did you own some dogs around that date and that time?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did one of the dogs get out of the yard?
Yes, Your Honor.
And was that dog was that dog exhibiting some menacing or dangerous behavior, maybe barking at somebody or something like that?
Yes, he was barking.
All right, very well. Find your client guilty as charged to the thank you. As charged to the dog restraint, and then as charged to the nuisance. Stipulate the probable cause. We'll dismiss the other matters.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, I've cut you a break, so I'm only gonna fine you for one, $240. When can you pay it? Here, like this. We'll do it like this. It's a 3-month delayed, so pay it by June 26, 2026. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the 2 best ways I can tell you to pay it, Mr. Ledbetter. If it's nothing further, if you don't get any other issues with the dogs and the money is paid on February 26th, we'll close out and dismiss both the cases. If there's nothing further, sir, have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Anything else? City of Detroit versus Thomas Alejandro Baez Lee, case number SP 186-04161. Mr. Lee, state your name for the record, please.
Thomas Alejandro Baez Lee.
Good morning to you. Day is date and time set for a show cause. I'm going to enter a not guilty plea on your behalf, give you a $0 bond. And at this time, I'm going to dismiss the case for providing valid documentation. If there's nothing further, sir, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor. You have a good day.
Have a better one. Thank you.
Judge Perkins, this is Blasky. We are ready on Miss Graylaw.
City of Detroit versus Mrs. Sharina Graylaw. Case number, please. strike that, U72019925. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, for the record, James Waskey, P31546, on behalf of Miss Graylaw.
Ms. Graylaw, good morning to you. Can you state your name for the record, please?
Ms. Graylaw, you need to unmute.
Congratulations. Ms. Graylaw, unmute yourself, please. Does she know how? Let me see if I send her. Press *6 to unmute yourself, Ms. Graylaw. *6 to unmute yourself.
Ms. Graylaw, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
She's-
Can you hear me?
I can hear, we can hear you now. State your name for the record, ma'am.
Sharina Graylaw.
All right. Today is the date and time, and good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a trial in the matter. I did have Officer Martinez appear. What's going to be the resolution, if any, Mr. Waskey?
Judge, I've talked to the city attorney, and she has spoken with Officer Martinez again this morning. And after those conversations, the city attorney has agreed to dismiss this case against Ms. Graylaw in the interest of justice.
Okay. Ms. Graylaw, case dismissed. Have a very good rest of your day, and I wish you the best of luck, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Your Honor. Bye.
You're welcome. Mr. Waskey, do you have anyone else?
I'm just waiting on Mr. Earl Lewis. He's got another 10 or 15 minutes, I guess, Judge, to show up. So we'll see. So
Very, very well.
Thank you.
All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Little. Ms. Little, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, per the prosecutor, these matters are to be dismissed.
All right. Ms. Little, the cases are going to be dismissed. I'll waive the warrant fee and the warrant fees. And if you don't have anything further, ma'am, I wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor. Same for you.
Thank you so much. City of Detroit versus Jerry Benson Gibson. Case number V500872222. SP1272837, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP127284441. SP184811101. V108611519. Appearance for the record, please.
Oh, that's Barry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gibson.
Gary Benson Gibson.
All right. Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning.
Today is the date and time, and it is set for
show cause, Your Honor. For purposes of arraignment, my client would stand mute.
Will enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Benson Gibson, you last time were here and you fell off. I think you spoke to someone, but you never joined back in. You never called back in. I don't understand why not.
Yes, I did. I called several times. They told me I called it 3 days in a row.
Well, why didn't you? What happened when that day you fell off?
The phone, I didn't have my charger was there like it is now. We burned a lot of time on this thing. It's
right,
going low now.
Mr. Gibson, I'm gonna go and put you in the breakout room with Mr. Barry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Mr. Barry, there was only one thing on the docket. That's the driving while license revoked. Second auto license V ticket, another V ticket, the occupancy certificate. He has an improper plate, unregistered, untitled, a no insurance misdemeanor, and a license improper. I counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cases into the record. All right. Join the room, Mr. Gibson. Speak to Mr. Berry.
Could I ask you to repeat those, Your Honor, especially that first?
The first
They're
one,
off docket.
it says second auto license, the V ticket. The other V ticket is a occupancy certificate ticket. The other ticket is a license improper, no insurance misdemeanor, unregistered, untitled, and an improper plate. The occupancy certificate required, that's at an address on Livernois. I don't know if that's an auto shop or something like that. And then the other V ticket, yes, no city occupancy permit for this place on Livernois, they say. And the other V ticket is here operating as a used goods dealer at the same Livernois address, AKA CH Hill Tire Sales. All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Let us know what you want to let us know what he wants to do when he comes out. Just pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Lightfoot. Ms. Lightfoot, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client is going to admit responsibility to improper equipment with the remaining matters dismissed.
Is that what you want to do, Ms. Lightfoot?
Yes, sir.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Oh, strike. Wait a minute. That's just improper equipment. You stipulate on behalf of your client to the as an accurate factual basis for that responsible plea?
So stipulated, Your Honor, and I stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal.
Okay, Ms. Lightfoot, I'm gonna find you responsible for the improper equipment, dismiss the other matters, $120. When can you pay it?
Can I pay that online or do I have to come down to the court?
You can pay it online you can pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone. That's DIVDAT. Or you can pay it online. There's other ways to pay it, or coming down to the two best ways to pay it. But you can pay it online. I think you pay it on the phone. Go to 36th District Court website. They give you different options. When can you pay it? Say that? Tomorrow?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Yes, sir.
All right. I'll give you till the 30th to make sure you get it in here. If it's nothing further, ma'am, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay? You're welcome. City of Detroit versus Guy William Lamb. The fourth, case number SP 185-64611. Appearance for the record, please.
Guy Lamb.
Harris on behalf of Mr. Lamb.
All right, good morning. Today is the date and time, and it is set for a trial. Mr. Lamb, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
Okay.
Was an attorney requested?
No, it was. It's past the matter. Ray Young Lopez, good morning to you.
Hey, Your Honor. I need to talk to Ms. Horn first.
All right, she's in 4 over there.
She's in 4?
Downstairs, and she's in breakout room
Okay.
4 right now.
Oh.
I'm gonna put your client in breakout room 7. Mr. Guillermo, join breakout room 7, please.
Señor
Wait on
Guillermo,
your.
acepte la invitación para pasar a la sala 7, donde dice join o unirse, y espere ahí.
Uh-oh. Go back on the record with Mr. Lamb. Mr. Lamb, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Requesting the appointment of counsel.
You want to take your, that's what you want to do, Mr. Lamb?
Yes.
Set a pretrial date of April the 16th, 2026 at 8:30. That date is set to make sure that that attorney has opportunity to contact you. If that attorney does not contact you by that date, we'll get one appointed to you on the spot on that date, okay?
Okay.
Just need you to answer the calls you don't recognize. Hopefully one of those calls will be that appointed attorney. Mr. Lamb, if you don't have anything further, I wish you the best. Best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Yeah, thank you.
You're welcome. You didn't get any of those ones? You did. This is the City of Detroit versus Dorothy Gross, case number SP 122-9623, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 158-5888, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please. Can you run the license, please?
Erica Harris on behalf of Ms. Gross, please state your name for the record.
Dorothy Gross.
Good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date time set for a arraignment on the bench warrant. Go ahead, counselor.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute. Respectfully request that the warrants be recalled.
Will enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Gross, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you do not like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay, thank you.
We see the prompt, join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
Is it valid?
License is valid, Ms. Harris. Pass the matter. All right, Mr. Waski, I don't see your client, so you're free to leave. Be safe.
Okay, Judge, thank you very much. You take care of yourself.
All right, you have a better one. Thank you.
Bye.
Judge Corporal right here. I just checked out of Ramsey's courtroom for a second. Can you tell me if Michael Green checked in at all?
He did not. I think, all right, so here we go. Let's do that now. No Michael Green. So Hernandez, Reeves, Bush, Wright, and Del Zacco are all, and Vice, all of you are free to leave. I'll go get Miss Corporal Wright. Be safe out there. Have a very good rest of your day. I'll see you soon.
You as well. Thank you.
Well, Turner, Williams, good morning. Jones, A Hill. Okay, all the officers for Michael Green, he did not appear. You all are free to leave.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good day.
Be safe, all right? I don't know why he's in there.
Since they're new tickets, grab them while I'm here.
I think E. Lewis. I don't think we have Earl Lewis either. Rule showed up. Lord showed up. Gutman showed up. A. Hill showed up. Spidell showed up. Jones showed up.
You're not gonna find much. Oh, I was, you can just cut it. Pretty good. Okay.
That's enough.
Okay, all the for Earl Lewis, he didn't show. You're free to leave. Officers, be safe.
Thank you, Judge.
Keep it, Your Honor.
For Michael Green, officers, good morning. If you, he didn't appear, you all be safe out there. Free to leave.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Can I get that Lyric Austin file, please?
You guys hear about Jarvis Butts being found deceased?
Jarvis Butts, deceased?
He just went
That's
to
the
jail.
guy that, that's the guy that just went to jail for killing that young girl.
Yeah.
And he's dead?
This is what Channel 7 and Metro Detroit News is reporting.
What did they say, how?
No details yet.
Well,
That was the officer that been. Let me. In correctional facility in Jack.
that's the one that the girl was 14. He was dating his auntie, and he had got her pregnant and killed her. I mean, it's gonna be. Well, he probably took himself out.
That's what I'm kind of thinking.
did it, the world is a safer place. A much safer place. See what's up. They never found it. You ready, Mr. Johnson?
Yes, Your Honor. Looks like we got it
Yeah.
done. Looks like it's going to be 2, not 3. The dates were Cornell Grimes
All
and
right, we're ready on Grimes.
yes.
Is he out of the breakout room?
Let me get him out.
Pull him out. City of Detroit versus Cornell Grimes, case number SP 137-18081, SP 182-76291. Appearance for the record, please.
May it please court, Vassal Johnson II, on behalf of Mr. Grimes, he's on
Hold on.
hearing by phone.
Hello?
Hold on.
Say your name, Mr. Grimes.
Well, Cornell Grimes.
Okay, good morning to you, sir. Day is
Good morning.
set for a help me out. What is it set for?
Pre-trial, Judge.
Trial? All right,
Yes.
have you come to a resolution or does he want a trial date?
I just got appointed, so if your honor goes to the trial date, that's fine.
Do you want a pre-trial date?
I would like to, yes, so I can get discovery.
4/16/2026 at 8:30, Mr. Grimes.
Okay.
Come back on 2026, April 16th. If there's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Okay, you too.
Thank you.
Thank you. All right, who else is next, Mr. Grable is next?
Yes.
Are you ready on Grable?
I am. Same thing.
Let's see, pull her out. Or him out. It's the City of Detroit versus Aaron Grable, case number U74408-126, U74408-226. Appearance for the record, please.
May it please court, Vassal Johnson II, on behalf of Mr. Grable. Looks like he's in a
breakout room. I'm trying to pull him out.
I can go in there.
All right, what does the Grable want to do?
Same thing, bench trial. I'm sorry, pre-trial. Pre-trial, April 16th.
4/26 at 8:30. You can go let Grable know if they don't have any questions. You're free to leave.
Sounds good. Thank you, Judge. Good seeing you.
Be safe.
You too.
Always.
Bye-bye.
You see that rollover?
Girl named Isaiah Harris.
Yes, I think so.
So he was from
Your Honor,
You ready?
I need to talk to Mr. Lopez, please, and the interpreter. I have an offer.
he was found dead.
Corporal Spidell, I believe you were here for who?
Earl Lewis, Your Honor, I'm sorry.
Say that again. Earl Lewis didn't appear, so
Okay.
you guys, Earl Lewis and Corporal Hill and Officer Jones are free to leave. I don't think they're paying attention, but be safe, Corporal Spidell.
Okay, thank you. Have a good day.
You as well.
Your Honor, can I have an interpreter in room 7? Because
You have an interpreter in there.
they wasn't in there. I just left. Okay.
Ready, Mr. Barry?
Ready, it's Mr. Gibson, Your Honor.
Gibson, let's go back on the record with Mr. Gibson. Mr. Gibson, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
We seek a trial date, Your Honor.
All right, is that what you want to do, Mr. Gibson?
Yes.
Come back on the 17th of April at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you, okay?
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. Let's call the city of Detroit versus Edward Darrell Laurie. Case numbers SP 1158791, SP 132-32633, SP 132-4741, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 8882651, SP 1814493, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1840924, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1586647, counts 1, 2, and 3. 20415776, counts 1, 2, and 3. 1840596661, 1731919151. State of Michigan versus Edward Darrell Laurie. Case number SX 30852341, SX 38, strike that, SX 3641103, 1, SX 3681708, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Lowry.
Edward Darrell Laurie.
For purposes of arraignment, Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
And we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. It's also called State of Michigan versus Edward Darrell Laurie, case number SX 349-86051. You ready for the off-docket matters, Mr. Berry?
Ready, Your Honor.
Drove while license suspended, repeat offender. License improper. No ops. Drove while license suspended. Insufficient or defective lights. Expired plate. And driving with a dealer historic plate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22 cases called into the record, and I think it was 15 on the docket. Mr. Laurie, Mr. Berry is going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with him. You let us know what you want to do when you come out. You're
Okay.
not guilty, plead, give him a $0 bond. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. Pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Gross. You have a question, Mr. Berry?
No, Your Honor.
All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Gross. Ms. Gross, giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
We're gonna ask for a trial date. Yeah, we're asking for a trial date, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Gross, is that what you want to do?
Yes, sir.
Trial date is going to be the 17th of April at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, Ms. Gross, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you.
Ready on Lopez, Your Honor.
All right, this is a matter here, that you don't have to join, Mr. Corporal Letch. Matter here that was on yesterday's docket, Ms. Harris, City of Detroit versus Tyrell Rayshawn Gladney. It is SP 1647261. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes, Harris, on behalf of Mr. Gladney, please.
Mr. Gladney, state your name for the record, please.
Tyrell Gladney.
Tyrell Gladney, I'm sorry. Day is date and time. We'll call it set for arraignment on the bench. Warren, go ahead, counselor.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute. Respectfully request that the warrant be recalled.
Enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Looks like he paid a no plates ticket. I'm gonna put you in the breakout room, Mr. Gladney, with Miss Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out. Let's pass the matter. It's the City of Detroit. Please allow Miss Villarule to interpret after I speak. We get a rhythm, Mr. Taylor, and then we'll do the same when you speak and your client speaks. City of Detroit versus Guillermo Lopez Jr. Case number SP 1763823, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Se llama ahora el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus Guillermo López Jr., número de caso SP 1763823, cargos 1 y 2. Que todos digan sus nombres para que conste en el acta, por favor.
Mi nombre es Guillermo López.
My name is Guillermo Lopez.
Good morning, Your Honor. Taylor P57166 appearing on behalf of Camaro Lopez Jr.
Y buenos días, usted, su señoría. Habla el abogado Ed Taylor, número de abogado P57166, representando al señor Guillermo López.
Latch, good morning to you. Can you state your name, badge number, and department for the record, please?
Y usted, señor
Yes,
Cabo.
good morning
usted,
again, Your
Cabo,
Honor. Corporal Ronald Latch, badge 3603 with the Detroit Police Department.
Y señor Cabo, Cabo Latch, ¿puede usted por favor decirnos su nombre completo, su número de chapa y del departamento que usted viene? Sí, soy Cabo Latch, vengo del departamento de la ciudad de Detroit, departamento de policía de la ciudad de Detroit. I did not catch his badge number, Your Honor. May I ask him to repeat?
Ma'am.
Señor, dígame el nombre de su...
Yes, ma'am, its badge is 3603.
Thank you, officer.
Right.
Y chapa 3603.
All right. Good morning to you. And Ms. Foss, good morning to you. Can you unmute yourself, start your camera, and state your name for the record, please?
Buenos días usted y buenos días usted, señora Faust. ¿Puede usted, por favor, prender su cámara y su video y díganos su nombre?
Good morning.
Buenos días.
State your name for the record, please.
Díganos su
Alicia
nombre para
Faust.
que conste en el acta, por favor. Alicia Faust.
All right. Day, date, and time set for a trial. You worked it out for your client, counselor?
Yes,
Este
sir.
es el día y es la hora que habíamos fijado para tener un juicio. ¿Ya llegaron a una resolución, abogado? Sí, señor.
Mr. Lopez will plead to leaving the scene of an accident and failure to report an accident. The second ticket will be dismissed, 1 for 1.
Sí, su señoría, el señor López va a presentar una declaración de culpable al cargo de que él se fue del lugar donde ocurrió un accidente y el cargo de que él faltó de reportar un accidente queda desestimado. Así que se quita un cargo, se queda con un cargo.
You want to take the deal, sir?
Y señor, ¿quiere usted aceptar esta oferta de resolución?
Sí,
Yes.
Can you raise your right hand, please?
¿Puede usted levantar la mano derecha, por favor?
The other right.
La otra mano derecha.
no,
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
¿Jura usted declara solemnemente que nos va a decir la verdad, toda la verdad y nada más que la verdad?
sí, lo juro.
Yes, I swear it.
All right. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
¿Y comprende usted, señor, que la penalidad máxima en su caso serían 93 días en la cárcel y o $500 en multas?
Sí, entiendo.
Yes, I understand.
Do you understand that this is going to result in 6 points on your driver's license?
¿Y comprende usted que esto va a resultar en que le pongan 6 puntos en su licencia de conducir?
Sí, entiendo.
Yes, I understand.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
¿Y comprende usted que usted tiene un derecho absoluto de llevar este caso a juicio?
Sí, entiendo.
Yes, I understand.
Mr. Taylor went over your other advice or rights, did he not?
Y el señor Taylor revisó con usted sus otros derechos constitucionales, ¿no es cierto?
Sí,
Yes.
And you understood those rights?
¿Y usted comprendió esos derechos?
sí.
Yes.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
¿Y tiene usted alguna pregunta acerca de esos derechos?
No, ninguna.
No, not one.
You know, by taking it, do you know by taking this deal, you're going to give those rights up?
¿Y sabe usted que al aceptar esta oferta de resolución, usted renuncia a esos derechos?
Sí, entiendo.
Yes, I understand.
You understand if you're not a United States citizen, a conviction for a misdemeanor offense can potentially implicate immigration issues.
¿Y comprende usted que si usted no es ciudadano de los Estados Unidos, una condena de un delito menor puede causar consecuencias inmigratorias?
Sí, entiendo.
Yes, I understand.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
¿Y alguien le ha ofrecido a usted algo diferente de lo que ya hemos hablado en el acta?
¿Cómo? No entiendo.
What? I don't understand.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what was said was going to happen today?
¿Alguien le ha ofrecido a usted algo diferente de lo que ya nosotros hemos hablado, de lo que va a
No.
suceder hoy? No.
Let me draw your attention back to July the 24th, 2025 at around 5:53 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Leverett and 8th Street. Did you have an occasion on that day to be operating a motor vehicle on that day?
Leverett and which street, Your Honor?
And 8th.
8th?
8th, as in 8th, yes, sorry.
That's okay. Thank you. Así que, señor, permíteme recordarle la fecha a usted del 24 de julio del 2025 a las 5:53 en la tarde en la ciudad de Detroit, en el área de las calles Leverett y 8th. ¿Tuvo usted ocasión de encontrarse con un policía del Departamento de Policía de la ciudad de Detroit?
¿Cómo dice que no entendí esa parte?
What did you say? I didn't understand that part.
Did you on July 24th, 2025 at around 5:53 p.m. in the city of Detroit, were you operating a motor vehicle in the area of Leverett and 8th Street?
Dígame, si es cierto que para el 24 de julio del 2025, aproximadamente para las 5:53 en la tarde, que si usted se encontraba en la ciudad de Detroit manejando un vehículo motorizado en esas calles de Leverett y 8.
Oh, sí, sí, claro que sí.
Oh, yes, yes, of course I did.
And did you have an accident in that vehicle on that day?
¿Y tuvo usted un accidente en ese vehículo en ese día?
Sí.
Yes.
And did you cause some property damage when you had that accident?
Y cuando usted tuvo ese accidente, ¿usted causó daños a propiedad?
Sí.
Yes.
Fine, I'll find your client guilty as charged to the. And did you leave the scene without reporting that accident?
Bien, así que encuentro que su cliente es culpable, tal como fue acusado. Y dígame, señor, ¿usted también se fue del lugar del accidente sin haberlo reportado?
Sí.
Yes.
Find your client guilty as charged to leaving the scene of a accident, property damage accident, with stipulation of probable cause will dismiss the other matter.
Así que su cliente también es culpable al cargo de que se fue del lugar donde hubo un accidente causando daños a propiedad, tal como fue acusado. Reconociendo que el otro cargo va a quedar desestimado.
When can you pay $240, sir?
Es $240 en multas, señor. ¿Para cuándo puede usted pagar esta cantidad?
¿Cuánto?
How much did you say?
$240.
$240.
Pues los puedo pagar. Por ustedes díganme cuándo es el día límite.
Well, you tell me when. What's my last date to pay it?
Today is the date you need to pay it.
Hoy es el día que usted necesita pagarlo.
Tell me if you need time, the court will time, please.
Si usted necesita tiempo para pagarlo, la corte le puede dar tiempo.
Sí, sí ocupo tiempo.
Yes, I do need time to pay it.
How much?
¿Cuánto tiempo?
De unos 15 a 22 días.
From 2 weeks to about 22 days.
That's a month. Your Honor, can you have 30, please?
Es un mes, entonces. Su señoría, ¿usted le permite un mes para que él alcance a pagar, por favor?
Pay it on by April the 27th, 2026. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If it's nothing further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day. And you as well, Officer Corporal Latch, and you as well, Mrs. Foss.
And adios, Your Honor.
Señor, bueno, señor, le voy a dar a usted hasta el 27 de abril del 2026 para que usted alcance a pagar ese monto. Para pagarlo, usted puede ir a cualquiera de los kioscos en la ciudad de Detroit que se llaman DivDat. Hasta puede poner en su teléfono el app DivDat para pagarlo de esa manera, o sencillamente puede venir en persona a la corte para dar el pago. Si no tiene algo que agregar, le deseamos mucha suerte y un buen día. Y le deseo un buen día también
Sí,
al
tengo
cabo
una
Latch
pregunta.
y el abogado y a la testigo Faust.
Tengo una pregunta.
I have a question. I have a question.
What is your question?
¿Cuál es su pregunta?
¿Cómo voy a pagar esos $240 y con qué, a qué nombre o cómo los voy a pagar?
So how
No
do I go
entiendo.
pay the $240? Do I need to put in a certain name? What information do I need? I don't understand how I go about paying this.
You go to the kiosk, you can put your name in the kiosk, or you can put the case in the kiosk, or if you come down to the courthouse, you can just give them your name and it'll be, you can pay it that way.
Bueno, señor, para pagar los $240, usted puede ir a cualquiera de los kioscos en la ciudad de Detroit. Y usted pone su nombre o pone el número del caso y puede hacer su pago. O si viene sencillamente a la corte en persona, tan solo necesita dar su nombre y hacer un pago.
Ok, ya entendí cómo. Muchas gracias.
Okay, now I understand how to do this. Thank you very much.
All right. If there's nothing further, sir, wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Entonces, señor, si usted no tiene alguna otra pregunta, le quiero desear a usted muchísima suerte y muy buen día.
Ok, muchas gracias. ¿Ya me puedo desconectar?
Okay, thank you very much. Can I disconnect now? Se puede desconectar.
She's signing on now.
All right, Miss Boss, I got your message. You would either have to you take it to your insurance company, or you would have to sue him civilly. I don't know if you can sue him civilly or not, but you would have to take that up with your insurance company or an attorney. You have the guilty plea though. And if there's nothing
Thank you.
further, Ms. Boss, you have a very good day. Best of luck to you, and good luck to you on trying to seek some recovery for your damaged property.
Thank you.
Let's go back on the record with Miss Villarule. Thank you so much. We'll see you maybe soon or maybe next week. All right.
Yes,
All right.
thank you, Your Honor. Take care.
Be safe. All right.
Thank
Officers Hill and Officer Jones, your defendant never appeared, so you be safe out there. You're free to leave. Good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right. All right, let's go back on the record with Edward Darrell Laurie. Mr. Laurie, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
We seek a trial date, Your Honor.
All right. That what you want, Mr. Laurie?
Yes, sir.
Trial date is going to be April the 17th, 2026 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, I wish you the rest of your day.
You too.
City of Detroit versus Brandon Deshaun Gilbert, case number SP 175533102, SP 1867782, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gilbert.
My name is Brandon Gilbert.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, my client would stand mute.
Will enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. He also has a no ops ticket, Mr. Berry. He's already been here before. You missed your, sir. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room and let us know what you want to do when you come out. Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Gladney. Mr. Gladney, Ms. Harris, is supposed to be a dismissal for paid-related civil infractions.
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Gladney, I'm going to dismiss the case. You paid a related civil infraction. There's nothing further. Have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you.
All right, thank you guys. Have a good day.
This is the City of Detroit versus Carly Ogletree, case number SP 177747762, SP 177782951. Appearance for the record, please.
Sure, so here is on behalf
Hi, good morning.
Ms. Ogletree, please state your name.
Hi, it's Carly Ogletree.
You have
Purposes
to
of
come in.
arraignment, my client stands mute. Respectfully request that the warrant be recalled.
All right, I'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. I can't see you, Ms. Ogletree. You have to put some light on. All right, you don't wear the bonnet to the club, do you?
No, I'm sorry.
Well, take it off now, please.
Oh, yeah.
I'm sorry. Give me 1 second.
All right, we'll pass the matter. Let's call the city of Detroit, Ms. Harris versus Derek Lawrence. Case number U719044425. Appearance for the record, please.
Sheriff Harris, on behalf of Mr. Lawrence, please state your name.
He's in breakout room 8. He's coming out. Mr. Lawrence, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please. Mr. Lawrence, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
He's muted.
Is he muted?
Yes. You have to unmute your phone, Mr.
Oh, he's
Lawrence.
not connected to audio. So he needs to connect to audio. Let's pass that matter. Who else do we have? City of Detroit versus Alante Lee Leonard Austin. Case number SP 101495512, SP 1275147, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 144700022, SP 174412333, SP 1744111, SP 1776525. We'll count 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please. Ms. Harris.
Sheriff Harris, on behalf of the defendant.
He's gone too. What's going on? All right, he fell off.
Mr. Lawrence has connected his audio. I sent him a chat.
All right, Mr. Lawrence, state your name for the, let's go back on the record for Mr. Lawrence. Mr. Lawrence, state your name for the record, please. Derek Lawrence. You have to unmute yourself now.
Okay, Derek Dwayne Lawrence.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Day is date and time set for a arraignment on the bench warrant. Go ahead, Counselor.
Purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute. Respectfully request that the warrant be recalled.
All right, I'm going to enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. I'm going to give your client a $0 bond. I do not have a U ticket in here. I do have a ROA. I do not have a U ticket in here, and there's been no request for an attorney. Mr. Lawrence, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay.
And join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out. We'll pass the matter. He does owe no insurance proof that he never paid $240, and a no ops he never paid $240, and a seatbelt ticket $65, and a disregard and a red ticket $175. But we're just not talking about those today. We'll pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gilbert. Mr. Gilbert, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, runner license, please. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client seeks a trial and the appointment of counsel. His number is in the chat.
All right, we've been down this road before, right, Mr. Gilbert?
Yes.
All right, we're not going to go back down this road again. You understand me?
Yes.
I'm going to appoint an attorney for you. I'm going to set a pretrial date. That'll give that attorney an opportunity to contact you. If you don't hear from that attorney by their next court date of April the 16th, 2026, At 8:30, we'll get one appointed to you on the spot. Is the best last four to reach you 6276?
Yes, that's the lot. Yes.
All right. If there's nothing further, April 16th, answer the calls you don't recognize. Hopefully one of those calls should be that appointed attorney, okay?
Okay, I got a question too, Your Honor.
What is that?
I went down to Secretary to try to get my license back, and they told me I got a warrant on my name
Well,
because I
you don't
paid
have
the.
yeah, after the day, those warrants will be gone, lifted. Well, I don't know if any of these things are affecting your ability to get a license. Yeah, that no ops probably did have a warrant on there. Yeah, there's no warrants as of now, after the day.
Okay, Your Honor, that was it.
All right, thank you so much. Best of luck to you, sir. Have a very good rest of your day.
All right, you too.
Are you ready, Miss Ogletree?
Yes, I'm ready. I'm sorry.
Sorry, let's go back on the record with Miss Ogletree. Miss Ogletree, I've got Mr. Berry, appearance for the record for Miss Ogletree, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Ogletree.
Hi, it's Carly Shahira Ogletree.
All right, good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for an
arraignment, Your Honor. We would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
or not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Miss Ogletree, I don't need you to be doing your hair, all right? It's too late for that.
I'm sorry.
All right, it's a note. It was a suspension. She was under a probationary diagnostic, probationary referral, restricted. The suspended is effective 9/3/2025 to 8/2/2026, and the restricted is from 2/3/2026 to 8/2/2026. I don't know how this is going to impact her as far as getting a driver's license. She's paid a few dollars toward a no insurance proof. Give Miss Ogles, she has a no insurance proof. That was the other one I called. Give Miss Ogletree an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out. We'll pass the matter.
She has a restricted license at this point, Your Honor?
No, it's suspended at this point.
Oh, all right.
And I don't know, what's going to happen as far as this deal if she enters into some kind of abstractable plea. Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on record with Mr. Lawrence. Mr. Lawrence, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
I try to enter a plea against my advisement under a 3-month delay sentence.
Is that what you want to do, sir?
Yes, sir.
All right, so you're going to have to tell us what you did or what you had, because I don't have any information in here that says anything. All right?
Okay.
Raise your right hand.
I was driving. Hold
Oh,
on.
wait a minute. We haven't gotten to that point yet. And I don't want to hear the long story. I'll ask you the questions. Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
I do.
You can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 90 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, sir.
Ms. Harris went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Any questions about those rights?
No, sir.
By taking this deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to December 27, 2025 at around 6:29 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Oakland and Louisiana. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
And did you have some narcotics or some kind of drug paraphernalia on you at the
Yes.
time? What did you
Yes.
have?
It was for E-pills. Ecstasy
E-pills. What are
pills. Ecstasy. Yes.
Didn't have a prescription for them.
No.
And
I
have you
didn't
ever?
even, I'm
Go
sorry.
ahead.
I didn't even know they was in the car. When my friend got out, when I looked on the seat, I seen them. So when the officer pulled me over, I didn't even I just told him where they was at. I
Well,
wasn't trying to.
maybe you should listen to your attorney then. But again, you want to get it over with.
Yes.
And everybody wants to get it over with real quick. You have any money?
Yes. I got a couple dollars.
All right. What was the deal, Ms. Harris? Any delayed sentence?
3 month delayed sentence.
All right, I'm gonna find him guilty as charged. It's not gonna get over with that soon because it's still 3 month delayed. You have $240.
Yes.
That's gonna be the fine. 3 month delayed. Pay it. Then div that kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the div that app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse, pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. Pay it by June the 26th. Don't get any other trouble like this, and then the case will be dismissed. Come back on June 26th, 2026 at 8:25. Yeah, if you don't have any further questions, Mr. Lawrence, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you.
You too. Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, let's call it City of Detroit versus Deshari Godbutt. Case number SN 222-4691, SP 112-77021, SP 116-02011, SP 119-76972, SP 119-78132, SP 120-18791, SP 122-54511, SP 124-0642, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 147-2597, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 147-26191. Appearance for the record, please.
Please state your name.
Scott, but can you state your name for the record, please? You have to unmute yourself. Good morning to you. You're still not unmuted. Maybe frozen now.
Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Hello?
Hello. State
Are
your
you
name.
able
Good
to hear
morning
me?
to you. Yeah, state your name for the record.
Good morning.
All right, state your name for the record. Well, I'm gonna turn her camera off. Maybe I'm gonna turn her camera. I'm gonna stop your video. Maybe that helps.
Is my
All right. Today is the date and time set for a today is the date and time set for a arraignment on the bench warrant for purposes of arraignment, counselor.
Purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute, respect to request the warrant to be recalled.
All right, we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client $0 bond. Ms. Scott, I'm put you in the breakout room first. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. You let us know what you want, please. Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Carly Ogletree. Ms. Ogletree, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail herself of the people's offer to allow her to enter a plea to failure to display for the no operator's license and dismiss the no insurance matter.
You know that that failure to display is probably going to potentially push you back on getting a driver's license a longer date, ma'am.
Your Honor, I'm honestly just trying to do the quickest way to unsuspend my license so I can go to school. So if I would just really like to go the faster route, what's easier for me.
Well, I'm just telling you that failure to display is probably going to push you back further on being able to get a valid driver's license. That's what I'm telling you. You have to make the decision for yourself on what you want to do with the tickets.
Okay, well, I'll just not do that then. Not failure to
So-
display.
So either set a trial date and see if better at trial.
Yes,
Okay.
Your Honor.
All right, trial date is going to be April the 17th, 2026 at 9 a.m. Come prepared, ma'am. Okay,
I will, I promise.
April
Thank you so
17th,
much.
9 a.m. Best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you. You too.
City of Detroit, Mr. Berry versus Zaire Gaines. Case number SP 181-17454, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 181-74611. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name.
Zaire Keontae Danae Gaines.
All right, good afternoon, Ms. Gaines. Good morning, Ms. Gaines. Today is the
Good
date and
morning.
time set for a arraignment on the bench warrant. For purposes of arraignment,
We would waive the reading of the information and stand mute, Your Honor.
I'll enter a not guilty plea on the client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Gaines, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out. Ms. Officer Jones, I was trying to get you out a long time ago. Think you have ever showed. Be safe out there. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you, you too.
You're welcome. So I'm sitting here on so NPO Powell. I'm real cool with her. She's an NPO neighborhood police officer in my district, right? So I was watching the Instagram yesterday, and you know that guy Tony Diamond.
Who's that?
He's he's on the Instagram,
Oh, he's on Instagram
all the
He
time.
be cracking jokes and stuff.
No, he comes in, he you know, he does what he does. But anyway,
Well, what did he do?
well,
He must be funny.
he gives some good information sometimes, but I don't know. Sometimes it's just I don't know what he's just making posts. But anyway, he made a post the other day, yesterday or so. I don't know when it was. But Officer Powell was coming out of the store, and he had said something to her. I forget what he said, and I immediately called her. I was like, "You got Instagram?" You got that guy Tony Diamond.
I'm gonna look at him. Cause I be watching.
He's on there all the time.
I be watching this guy with a bonnet. You ever see him?
I ain't seen no guy with a bonnet. I ain't seen no guy with a bonnet.
He be reporting the news and he always has a bonnet.
No, I changed it.
I know you ain't
when I see the girls with the bonnet, the women with the bonnet, I move on. Let's go back on the record with Miss Gaines. Miss Gaines, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
We seek a trial date, Your Honor.
That's what you want to do, Miss Gaines?
Yes, sir.
All right, come back on the 20th of April. 20th of April at 9 a.m., okay?
Okay.
4/20, April.
Already. Thank you.
You're welcome, Ms. Gaines. Have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you.
You too. Right.
He be like, bonnet in your teeth.
No, when I see somebody with a bonnet on, when I'm talking about Instagram, and you don't mess with Instagram, do you, Mr. Barry?
I do not.
You do not. Well, I just started, and you just basically scroll through, and people post whatever they want to post, you know, and it's just whatever they want to post. And when I see the young Miss Mathis says she sees a lot, she listens to this guy with a bonnet on, and he posts this post with his bonnet on. I'm like, oh, she laughed. She's like, oh, you don't even gonna watch him. I said, when I see a young lady or a woman with a bonnet on, I don't even listen to her. She may be saying some very interesting and informative stuff, but when I see the bonnet, it's just like, you're supposed to be in bed with that on, in my eyes. I come from and I know you do too, that the women did not wear the nightcaps. It would be, grandmother would just be like, what? You know, you could not wear that out in public.
Oh, no, that would be. No. Did you know that Lucille I never could get her right.
Yes.
She has a book. She has a book that's being sold out of the bookstores. I have ordered the book, and when I'll get it, I'll let you know. But Schuler's bookstore out of Grand Rapids sells this book. It's called the Fortune Huntress. The Fortune Huntress.
And the Fortune Huntress.
Yes.
What is the topic?
I'm trying to glean it from the title.
Apparently it's about some family of hers, about her mother and grandmother, like that. That's my understanding at this point. But I've ordered the book, and we're going to know more. But I thought of her in terms of the podcast.
All right, good. Maybe we might be able to get her on.
Yeah.
Oh, now I got a comment yesterday from a good friend of mine. I worked at Ford, and he was he was all in on your podcast. I'll see the message. He said, awesome episode. This guy is amazingly interested. I loved it. Keep up the great work.
That's what I'm hearing from my family.
What about your colleagues in the movement? What did you ever get back?
I've not heard from them. One Fully Love is the one I would hope I could entice to come here. He has been in the civil rights documentaries. Uh, he's an author of a book with his wife regarding public health, and he's been the public health documentary Invisible Shield. He's a prominent player in that. Uh, but I will speak to him. I don't talk to him that often, but I want to speak to him because he would be far more interesting than I am and knows a lot more about the movement and how it was working at that time than I did. And I'm going to pursue
Saying
it.
that, Mr. Berry, but I kind of have to disagree because you know, everything you got into and then got out of however, whether it was you moved on, fired, they did something, then you seem to get into something else that was super interesting. And it was just like one step after the other. I mean, what really got me was bringing the people into the medical school, and you and you're like, hey, I got you at medical school, come on, which you actually got, but they gave those people the spots and fired you, saying you're not supposed to be interim people. We got people for that. And I was just like, well, hey, mission accomplished. Would you get 7 black people into medical school at that time? That's some. I don't know many people that can say that they've done those. Starting a school in engineering program is just it didn't stop in the movement. And then the other one that got me was the lawyer that was down there in the movement. You finally get your license. You're out in California, in San Francisco. The state of California and the city of San Francisco are so ginormous, and not being able to find a job. And lo and behold, working at 7-Eleven, and the guy comes in there and gives you a job. That's just, I don't know how you can, what's not interesting about that. I don't know too much the more that it can be, anybody can top with that stuff. So it's just
a persevere no matter what.
Oh, it never stopped. Never stopped. So, and then we didn't get into how you lost the law license and how you got it back, but we got into the work that you did during that time, and that was like, cop just being able to shoot you in the back, and that was monumental too. Miss Harris.
I was in Idlewild when that happened, when I lost my license. I was practicing in Idlewild, Michigan, the black resort.
Okay. I'm afraid to let this individual in. It doesn't look.
So you lived in Idaho?
Yes, for 4 years.
Wow. See, there he goes.
Ms. Harris.
I'm just waiting for a response from Ms. Warren to see if I can get any adjustment in the current offer.
Very well.
My great-grandfather used to hang.
Yeah. Everybody's good.
And he's from Dayton.
Is he?
My father is from Dayton.
Yeah. Did you hear that, Mr. Berry? Miss Mathis says her great grandfather. Oh, it was.
Well, he knows my father is
Dayton.
I had a grandfather that used to hang out in Idlewild.
And had a grandfather that used to hang out in Idlewild, and a great grandfather, and he's from Dayton.
Yeah. Well, it was the central resort for black people in the country at one point. If you were black and you wanted to be on a lake and party, Idlewild was the spot. and I was disbarred there.
I guess so. Hey, what did he say? On the lake and party. But we'll save that for the next one.
Yes.
Because I know that people are looking for a redo. As far as the comments that I've gotten, it's just been over. It's been very good. Now, I'll tell you what, when and I just learned this yesterday, Judge Baltimore's podcast with my brother and myself ended up, the people saw that, and now they want to put him in the Hall of Fame at his old school, at his old high school. Yeah, as a result of the podcast.
Oh,
That's huge.
That's huge.
That's huge.
Where did he come from? Because he said he used to be
Virginia.
He's on a farm, right?
Oh yeah, he was. Yes, yes. I mean, his story is like remarkable as well.
He's one of the first judges I worked with.
His story is remarkable as well. Did you watch Judge Baltimore's podcast?
He's not had an opportunity as yet. I will now, for sure. If he's going to the Hall of Fame, I got to see that.
He's going into the Hall of Fame, and he told me yesterday is as a result of the podcast.
Oh, that's so nice. Wow. Yeah, that was my first judge I worked with, because I'm a very loud person. I'm a little like it in. So I went in there and he was like, Jimmy. He was like, who you talking? I can't hear you. I laughed so hard. That just broke the ice for me. You got to talk louder than that.
Now this Johnny, whoever, I can't let that person in.
I was all nervous.
I don't have Johnny on. Pardon me?
I'll have my hand on the remove button just in case.
I just don't think we even need to let him in.
No objection for me, but if you want to, I'm here.
Yeah, I don't think we need to let him in. I just assume that they just. I sent them a message. Do you have a case number? And they didn't respond. And I don't have anything close to a Johnny on the docket. Let's look. We can do that. We can look up the last name. AKINRU. Oh, they're gone. Julius. That last name does exist.
I had the wrong hole.
But they don't have any open cases. And I don't see a Johnny. All right, I'll try to let him in.
Johnny. Cool.
Do you want to check? Wait, let's check to see if they have anything in landlord tenant.
Okay. Oh, okay. I got some.
Yeah, I'll do it. Let me see if I can do it.
Yeah, I don't know. You switched over already?
2.
Yes. You can actually type CNI.
1.
Like on your hotline, type CNI.
That.
And it just switches you automatically.
Oh.
So just type on the hotline when you type just type CNI. I just hit enter and it just takes you to central name index.
I'm in here. So then the
enter to continue.
What is this case entry? Party status. What am I doing on this
You're
one?
gonna do name.
Name.
Like you would do regular.
Yes.
Name. Type over to that.
All right.
And it should just come up.
Nothing open. It just seems like I don't. I guess this person is not trying to. Had your hand on the remove. Excuse me, sir. Can you unmute yourself? Start your camera, please. Unmute yourself. Start your camera, please. I'm gonna put you back in. I'm gonna put you out if you can't unmute yourself and start your camera. Johnny Akinruli.
Ruley. Yes, sir.
Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning,
How
my
can
brother.
we turn your camera on, please?
Yes, sir.
How can we help you, Mr. Akinruli?
Um,
Morning to you.
yes, sir. Good morning. I'm trying to figure out who do I talk to about some tickets that I owe. They're saying that it's in the probate courts. I just got in contact with the probate. They said they don't have anything on record. I've called the 36th district. They said we don't have anything on record. So I'm just trying to figure out what's stopping me from obtaining my license.
I don't know that. Did you go to the Secretary of State?
Yes, they told me that it was also in the probate courts as well, but
All
nothing's
right, well, you're
showing.
gonna have to go to the probate. I don't see anything in your, do you
Exactly.
have a hyphenated last name?
No, sir.
And you're Johnny Akinruli, right?
I am.
I don't see anything in your name here.
Correct.
And
But I've
the
moved
city,
from, go ahead, I'm sorry.
the, the, and I'll let you finish in a second.
Yes, sir.
The Secretary of State should be able to tell you any case numbers that if you have it in Michigan, I'm thinking any case numbers that you have, they should be able to tell you give you case numbers in courthouses. And you said they gave you the probate court, right?
Yes.
Now you were saying you
Hey,
moved from somewhere.
yes, sir. I moved from Detroit to Maryland, and when I went to go take the test to get my license, a red flag popped up from Michigan stating that I had some tickets.
Yeah, I
It
don't
was a
have
red
anything
flag.
down here that's open for you. If they told you that it's and you're in Maryland now, right?
Correct.
If they told you that it's a probate matter, then
Yes.
you're gonna have to go to the probate court. Let me see if I see anything. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to see anything, but
There is a ticket number,
what's the ticket number?
973.
Is there a SP in front of it?
No, sir. It's just a number.
973 doesn't sound. Go ahead.
52
52
451.
When did you
And-
get this ticket?
And when does the ticket say that was? Does it say a courthouse or anything?
Probate, yes.
Yeah, you're gonna have to go.
I'm gonna have to go.
So let me see. Let me see.
Okay.
Is that David A. Perkins? Is that who you're looking for?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh no,
That's where you.
they told me
Go ahead.
somebody by the name of Sean Perkins.
No, I think they meant David A. Perkins.
David A. Perkins.
David Perkins. I'm typing my name in there. Hold on. Let's see if we can find him on this system here.
Okay.
KKS. Yeah, David A. Perkins. Yeah, can you get him?
I have a telephone number.
Can Ruley.
Well, I just invaded his courtroom, and there was nothing that he can do because there was nothing on file. There was nothing on record.
I don't see anything either.
Wow.
In that court, in that case number that you have, it says probate court, huh?
Yes.
All right, let's see if we can do it by case number.
Okay.
You have the paper in front of you, the actual ticket.
Yeah, I don't
No.
even see enough numbers for a criminal case.
So give me the number again.
973-52-451. It's something dated back from, they said 6/24/2002.
Nothing.
Be purged.
Nothing.
Did,
Nothing.
did they did they say what type of charge it was?
Yes, they said that it was driving unlawfully away from an officer and driving without a license.
He probably needs to talk to like somebody down in traffic, like the supervisor.
Well, what about though? What about though that he has let's see, maybe it was criminal.
Because
What
purge is not come up
in
because he said
2002?
2002. So I think I can give him a number to Mrs. Roper. She's a traffic supervisor.
Oh
She
wow.
can look. Is
Amen.
that okay, Judge?
Yeah, I don't have any problem with it.
Write down this telephone number.
Yes, ma'am.
It's gonna be 313
Mm-hmm.
965 2782.
Okay.
Her name is Miss Roper. She's the department manager in traffic. Give her a call, have her look into it, because it could be purged because it's a 2002,
Yeah.
and she should be able to run a check at the time.
Is that
Yes, ma'am.
acting is that your first name, Johnnnie? That's the
Yes.
correct spelling?
Yes,
Do you
but
have a brother, Joshua?
I used to spell it Jonnie when I was on the other side of the fence.
On the other side of the fence. Oh.
Yeah. Yeah.
All right. Now, how do you spell it now?
I spell it the way it's spelled now, but I used to spell it Jonnie.
Okay. I got
without the H.
What's your birthday?
8/21/1986.
8/21/1986.
Correct.
You came over to this side of the fence because you saw the other side wasn't worth it, huh?
No, sir. No. It was terrible. It was a waste of time, to be actually honest with you.
Hey, sometimes you got to go through those things in life to get to the point where you're at now.
Yeah.
Let's see, J-O. J-O-N-N-I-E.
Mm-hmm.
That doesn't come up either.
Okay.
All right, I guess you gotta have to call that number Miss Mathis gave you.
Thank you, Miss Mathis. And her name is what again?
This is Roper.
Roper. Do you have a brother named Julius?
Yes, I do.
And a couple of people in here with that name.
Mm.
All right. I wish you the best of luck, sir. I hope you can get that resolved. I'm sure you're gonna get it resolved. If you can work at it, keep on working. It's gonna happen.
I will.
I can't tell you when.
I will. Mama said it's easy to get in trouble, but it's hard to get out.
There you go. Do you have a middle name?
Yes, Lee, Johnny Lee, L-E-E.
Let's look up L-E-E then.
I was just scrolling through the names. I don't even see that.
I don't see that. Let's look up. Maybe it's under Johnny. Maybe it's under Lee.
Mm-hmm.
Not. You came in at the right time. We're sitting there waiting. So. See.
Look at God.
Nothing.
Nothing.
Excuse me.
Yeah, call her.
Okay.
Akinruli, hold on, there's some more Akinrulis here too.
Hmm.
Where does that name come from, Akinruli?
Nigeria.
Okay, very good.
Yeah.
All right, I don't see it. Maybe you get some luck with Miss Roper.
Amen. Okay, brother.
All right.
Thank you so much for your time.
Very good rest of your day.
All right, you too.
Your Honor, my concern is if several fail to displays, I was just trying to, I don't know if the court is able to assist here.
Say that again.
For Ms. Godbolt, the offer would have her pleading to at least 2 fail to display. So I'm just waiting to see if there's any adjustment.
All right, we'll wait.
Okay.
Twenty 2002. And my dad died in 2002. That was 24 years ago.
Ticket number was off because he said it was 97. So that means that was 1997.
Yeah, but if it even comes out of here,
Hmm?
even if he got it from Secretary of State though, so he's reading.
Yeah, he's saying that he got it in 2002. When you write tickets in 2002.
I know. Maybe he got it from another jurisdiction and out of state somewhere when he was messing around, and they just pulling that up. But he said it's the probate court. I don't know why it would be probate court.
Yeah, because because normally if you got a ticket in 1990, yeah, I don't know what that's all about. It would be 99, and then the numbers would proceed. So it would be
And then if he went to the Secretary of State, they probably, if it was in another state, they probably would have said, "Oh, you got this out of Indiana." It probably would have been noted on that.
Get out her phone. She should be.
Miss Horn is here. In breakout room 4.
Just take a look at this one. This is saying that this is the date, and we'll know the difference. This one right here is a civil infraction. I can't close it out. I can only close out the civil infraction when you plead. Like if you plead to being responsible, then I can close it out. Other than that, I have to be dismissed. The computer won't allow me to do it. Also, this for that's his date, and then he has to call Judge Stanford Jones. He got to pay $50 for that ticket. All over there. Sometimes they like knows.
I'll take care of it. Thank you. 416.
Yes, 8:30.
$22.97, 22.94 for Stanford Joe.
Until the first one.
Yes.
Yes, this is 522. Kitchen.
They said it was suicide.
Yeah, I figured it would, but something, I reached out to him. What is the, and he has not responded. Let me get the other guy's name though. What is his name? What's this guy's name? It should be on my phone. Here, let me do this. Mm-hmm. Ethan Dunn, here.
Takes it to.
Mm-hmm.
I looked it up. It was like, you missed something. It's not good.
That's his number, Miss Knights. All right. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Godbot. Ms. Godbot, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Your Ms. Godbot could take advantage of the amnesty program that's going on now until April 3rd, but she does have two no insurance proofs that I see would be affecting her ability, at least with the 36th District Court, to get a license. She does owe many other civil infractions, but the two no insurance proofs would potentially set her up to get a valid driver's license.
For permission to pay the reinstatement fees up front. That's the current plea offer would have her plead to a fail to display, which might hurt her chances. And she is trying to get a license in a different state now. So we're hopeful there's a way for her to pay those reinstatement fees while out of state.
Are you ever coming back to Michigan, Ms. Godbot?
I can't move now without the license.
So you're still in Michigan?
No, I'm in Virginia.
Oh, well, do you want us to update your address down here?
I believe y'all have it already because I was sent the paper through the mail.
We have the Goulburn address.
I called you guys twice and I gave them the address twice. Do you need it?
I'm gonna put it in the you can put it in the chat while we're dealing with this other stuff. Um, and we'll update it.
Okay. I'm putting it in the chat now.
Do you have anybody that can come down here and pay this reinstatement fee for you?
You'll have to give me some time to find somebody available.
Well, you're not gonna have too much time, but I'm gonna allow you. Now, keep in mind, this is just paying the reinstatement fee. You're going to have to eventually pay this all off. I'm just giving you the opportunity to pay the reinstatement fee in order to see if you can get a valid license, okay?
Understood.
And it's two reinstatement fees of $45 a piece. I think that's all I see.
Okay. Understood.
All right, and so is there no better way that I can allow you to do it? You have to come down to the window, or somebody come down to the window, and it'll be in the computer. If they have any issue, then they can come up to the court room, or you can zoom back in. So this is your new address here, right?
Yes, sir.
All right, we'll update that as well. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give you a pretrial date. And that's gonna give you a little extra time to see if you can get this together and get a valid driver's license, okay? Now, I don't know what your driver's license looks like in other jurisdictions. It would be best if I think you may be able to order a copy of your driving record online since you're not in the state. But that would tell you everything that's affecting your license. So we've recalled any warrants. We've given you a $0 bond. You know to pay those reinstatement fees. That's $45 a piece. It's two of them, $90. And you need to get a copy of your driving record. That would help you to see if you have any other jurisdictions you need to take care of. April 16th is your next court date at 8:30. Ms. Gabet, I wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Thank you so much. You as well.
Thank you. All right, that will conclude the morning.